Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold, that is your TV. Today's video I would like to show you how to pump down the split AC with good condition of compressor and bad condition of compressor. Let's go guys, see you. First steps, we can remove the cover of Allen key side for the gate valve adjustment, both side, the small and big pipes. We can remove also the gauge line cover to attach the AC manifold gauge. Second steps, turn on the AC and wait until the compressor is working. Third steps, slowly close the small pipe for liquid line using the Allen key tools until the gauge line is lower than -0. Fourth steps, close also the big pipe for suction line slowly using the Allen key. And then after all, turn off the AC before you remove all the pipes. This is the first step. We remove the cover of Allen key side for adjustment of the valve close and open. Then attach the AC manifold gauge. This is good condition of compressor. Second steps, slowly close the small pipe for liquid line until the gauge is lower than -0. Once you reach the -0, then that's the time to start closing also the big pipe for suction line. Now we reach the -0, so we can start closing the big pipes for suction line slowly. Then turn off the power of AC before you remove the pipes. And this is the time to remove the two pipes. Disconnect also the power supply of AC and remove if you have a plan to change new unit of split AC. And that's it, guys. Now we proceed to bad condition of compressor. This is the unit of bad condition compressor. The same procedure. When you attach the AC manifold gates, check the level.
65.
You then start closing the small pipe for liquid line, slowly. Then after closing, the gates is not moving down to negative. That means the compressor is bad condition. If you look at the gauge, before was 65, now it is 25, so cannot reach the negative 0. That's the sign of bad compressor. The fan is working, then the compressor is not working. Then slowly open the AC manifold gates to release the air. Take note, the bad condition of compressor is without gas to release, so no need to worry. Pump down the split AC unit means bring all the gas back to the compressor, so that if you open the two pipes, there's no gas to flow. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Bye bye.